the most recent one, the Christian Yelich deal, is the first time that they got the right return player they were trading. Now, I understand how much value Christian Yelich has, age, affordable contract, years of control, all of that. But they got some really talented players. I mean, Lewis Brinson, he'll step into the big league outfield, or at least will be given the chance to. Monte Harrison, if you look at our rankings now, is way underranked. You may see him on our top prospects.
Isn't he going to play football at Alabama?
He could have played football. He could have played basketball in Nebraska. Yeah, unbelievably talented. In the Arizona Fall League, he was a taxi squad player. He only played twice a week, but he's the guy that scouts wanted to see the most. And just unbelievable power plus arm. Even Isan Diaz, he had a bad year last year, but he's a really good hitter. I think he's going to figure it out. So they got good return there. Yeah, you see Diaz, left-handed hitter, kind of offensive-minded second baseman. But he's played some shortstop, so he'll be fine defensively. But the other trades, I think, you could argue, well, did they get enough for Ozuna? Did they get enough for this? And maybe not, but they're clearly stockpiling guys with tremendous ceilings. Both Brinson and Harrison are power speed guys. Some of the arms they got are these high velocity. Alcantara and Guzman both can throw 100. They're both really young. They've got to figure it out yet. So it's a work in progress. I think for this system to really make a move, you'd see, Trevor Rogers, Brax Garrett, and Tyler Kolek was their first rounder from a few years ago. All of them have gotten hurt. Garrett and Kolek had Tommy John surgery, so they need those guys to sort of to come back. And Sierra's a good toolsy outfielder too. So there's some talent.